Hello everyone, so this is the second car in the two car prep series, the last one being the Honda Jazz. I'll leave the link below and before after pics in the video. So I lost the footage of me washing the car, that's why it looks so shiny, but here's the interior, an absolute mess, full of stains, full of pet hair. The carpet pile was really short and not the best quality on the Vauxhall, so it is an absolute nightmare to clean this carpet. It's ingrained in there. And in every nook and cranny in the interior there's pet hair galore. So this needed a heck of a lot of work. Check out, it gets worse in the back. Look at the passenger seat. I mean, goodness me, how does one make their car go into this state? I'll never know. But it was an absolute nightmare to clean this. Everywhere, look, under the seats, the whole shebang. And even worse was the rear boot floor. I could not save this. I tried, so I threw it away and I had to admit defeat, and I bought a replacement off eBay for £30, but rest of the boot had to be done. So I cleaned all of this up. You can't see it properly on there, but literally it is covered in pet hair. So here's the results. Over 3 hours it took to do the interior on this car. Here's the results of how it looks. So I used D101 general all-purpose cleaner to spray all over the plastics, magic eraser, and then a hot microfiber towel. And then what I did is use a soft sheen interior dressing, so it doesn't look too shiny, but makes it look really nice and clean. And obviously some of the plastics in the boot are too far scratched, can't do anything about that, but got the hairs out. And I'm most pleased about the front passenger and rear passenger department, where I got most of the hairs out, about 99%. That was backbreaking, I can tell you that much. So here come the before and after pics and some pics of the Honda Jazz. Thanks, like and subscribe.